I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the phone and preparing the workspace. This prevents shorts and resets power negotiation. First, inspect the charging cable, adapter, and port visually for lint, corrosion, bent pins, or loose connectors. Small debris can block contact. Once done, swap to a known good cable and a 5V/2A or higher wall adapter to isolate the charger. Make sure to test a different outlet or power strip. Sometimes the outlet, not the phone, is the issue. Next, you methodically isolate hardware versus software. Plug into a computer USB and alternative wall adapters to see if behavior changes. If the phone charges only from some sources, the adapter or port negotiation is the culprit. Then boot into safe mode or recovery to rule out rogue apps draining or blocking charging. If it charges in safe mode, remove recent apps. Also check battery health in settings and watch the charging indicator and any USB mode messages for clues about. Finally, perform careful physical fixes and decide whether professional help is needed. You can clean the port with a soft brush or compressed air. Do not insert metal objects or liquid. If swapping cables and adapters fixes nothing, the issue is likely the battery or port. Replace the cable first, then the adapter, and if needed, book a repair for port replacement or battery swap. If software persists, backup data and perform a factory reset. Troubleshooting tip: if the phone heats while charging, stop and seek service immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.